We're at IKEA. Allison, what just happened?
Push it on hold and spray my spray on it.
Explain to us what just went down. I was doing a haul
How do you keep your shirt so clean?
and I went to go eat it. Triple the measure. This is a tutorial. So like pretend
What part do you
I have lipstick on. Okay, right. So this is how you eat a chicken tender without getting any of your lipstick
I
off.
like the icing
Okay.
part, but
First, dip. You take your chicken tender, you dip it in the ketchup or whatever sauce you prefer.
Right.
Not
Honey
discriminating.
mustard.
I'm not discriminating.
Yeah.
really?
And then you have to like you have to like and that's how you do it, folks.
That was amazing.
So go out and try this at home and let me know how it goes.
Let us know in the
Leave it in the comments below.
Yeah.
Is it recording? Selfie.
Yeah. Get it nice.
It's a little red.
Okay. So then you walk in the bathroom and oh my god. Oh my
Abort mission.
Vlog update. We're at Goodwill now. Purchases. Emily has nothing. Good day.
Ahora, ahora.